with sunglasses.
Look at you with your sunglasses on. You're just that bitch.
Just that bitch.
Just that bitch. Oh, I don't even know how to start this video, honestly. What is going on? Me and Mads have been in Marbella for the past couple of days. We've been here for bank holiday weekend. I feel like we've been here for a good few days. We've kind of tested the waters with different stuff. I feel like today we don't really have a plan, but I feel like I just have a good feeling that it's going to be a good day.
Yeah, I'm trying to like see what we need for Ocean Club.
Yeah.
Like, do we need tickets? Do we like, what do we do?
I wanted to film a spend the day with us or like spend 24 hours with us in Marbella, so that's what we're going to be doing today. We've just got ready, as you can see, so we've just done like minimal makeup. We've got lash extensions on again by Janet. You know how it is, Jan. So we've just been doing like more natural makeup on this trip, which I'm kind of enjoying. It's just like glowy skin, nude lip, that type of vibe. Yeah, we're currently still figuring out what we're doing today because we actually have no idea. If this isn't the story of our life, like everything is always so last minute, but I feel like we always pull it together, so it's fine. But yeah, I think we're gonna go and get some food because we've not eaten this morning yet. It's currently like what, 12:30?
12:30.
Is it 12:30?
2. Yeah. Yes.
Oh well then. Why did I think it was like literally lunchtime?
No, we need to go and eat.
We need to go and eat and we need to go and drink.
Yeah.
Say no more.
See you there.
Floor. This is our room as well, if you're wondering, but I mean it's currently it's currently a mess, so woo!
You know what, I'm excited just to go back to like normal fucking club live life.
Oh, Michael texted me last night.
Hey.
Don't mind Michael.
What did he say?
He said, I can't wait to see you girls tonight, and we just didn't go. Oh, do you know what? The bouncers there are so lovely. I feel like we get so many questions about this.
Although I don't think they would be to just anyone.
No, they're
not
not
funny. They can be assholes.
Yeah,
like heard so many stories.
Yeah, do you know what? But I feel like it's only with people that are too drunk or too
true.
like.
They've been an arsehole with me before we became friends. So
true, actually. But no, we miss Club Live. We actually can't wait to go back this week, I'm telling you. Oh my god, hello. Is someone walking that dog?
I don't know, I hope so.
Oh my god, literally, like, is that dog alone?
I don't want to look at it. I'll get sad.
Hello.
It's so beautiful here.
God, this lighting is like so on point. It actually is really beautiful. Do you know what? This is like the perfect kind of weather as well because it's not too hot. There's a bit of a breeze.
Bit of a breeze. Do you know what? Yeah, this is the perfect time of year to come away.
Yeah,
I think we do Ibiza soon. Like in a couple of weekends.
Maybe we
I'm not
just
even
go straight away. Like
we should find out where my auntie's going.
It's easier now when you walk over the bed.
Pardon?
It's easier when you
Oh yeah.
Hello. Okay, so we're at Ocean Club. We've never been before, but it's actually really chilled. It's quite quiet today because it's Bank Holiday Monday. So we were going to sit down and have lunch, but we were like, you know what, we're going to pay for a bed anyway. So we paid for a bed, which, to be honest, it wasn't that much. Hello. Hello there. So we've just ordered some food. It's literally just arrived. Oh, this looks sushi. So we got some prawn sushi and some chicken sushi as well. And then we've just got some drinkies. How beautiful are you? You're so beautiful. Anna, Madison, Sarah. I got a gin, which is actually really good. It's like gin with like raspberries and things. And then you got a, what's yours? Oh, thank you so much. It looks so good, like literally so good. Amazing, thank you so much. I don't know what your drink classes as.
What, my drink?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
What alcohol is it?
Oh, vodka.
Oh, is it? Okay. How cute are these hoops, by the way? I lost my Topshop hoops that I wore in quite a few videos, which I was so upset about. I lost them on a night out. And I found these ones in Claire's that are quite similar, so I feel like I'll have to settle for these, but they're cute.
Hi guys. Oh, we look cute.
Like, hello.
Hello.
We just had our sushi and a salad, and honestly, it was like some of the best food I've ever had.
I was just about to say, I would put it out there that that was probably one of the best sushis I've ever had.
Probably the best, yeah, some of the best. Do you know what? This whole trip though has just been such good sushi. Like,
it has been like unbelievable.
Literally.
Do you know what? I'm glad that it's this kind of vibe, not a Nikki Beach kind of vibe where it's like a lot.
Yeah. I feel like this is what we needed because like today's our last day. We just needed like a chill day, you know?
Yeah.
A chill day. But you never know where the day's gonna take you. You're there.
We'll pack before we, if we go out tonight, we'll pack before we do anything.
I've already packed most of my stuff.
Yeah, to be fair, we've just been living out of a suitcase. We've not really unpacked.
No.
We've unpacked our makeup and stuff, but not our clothes.
No.
So it's pretty easy to pack again. Good evening.
Good evening.
Wow, this really isn't much better. This is what this lighting though. Oh well. See you there. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Do you know what? I've just realised, I was thinking this before, we look so put together on Instagram, whereas in reality we were like, hello.
Okay, so it's actually true though, it kind of scares me. Oh my god, it's focused on that guy behind me. Sorry, I need to like, get it together. What is wrong with my camera? Oh, it's there. Okay, so me and Mads have come out for dinner. We've come to a place called Marbella, I think so, which was a recommendation. So fingers crossed it's good food, but it's Italian, which I mean, say no more. I'm quite worried because I've got a white dress on, and the fact that I'm having pasta, it's only going to go one of two ways for boys and girls. So also on the wine, always a glass of wine on the go, you know how it is. But yeah, we're coming here for dinner, and then I think we're going to go to News Cafe afterwards, which Mads has never been to before, but I came and went with Benefit when I was here last year with them, and like, it was such a fun night. How beautiful do you look?
Oh, sorry. Hello, hello.
Hello. Oh my god, you're so pretty. Nice little House of CB dress.
I can't take a compliment, I go all right.
He was like, check your clothes. You go all clothes.
I literally did this, thanks.
Do you know what? The clothes are the answer to everything.
Trying to disrupt.
Okay, yeah, do a taste test for us.
Delicious.
Delicious. Okay, so pasta's arrived. We ordered sexy pasta because that's apparently what this place is known for.
This is the sexiest pasta I've ever eaten, and I'm Italian.
Mads literally sat there and went, fuck off. Okay, so back at it with the dead lighting. It's actually so poorly lit in here, like what the hell. I've decided to turn this into a you guys control our night because I feel like we were just gonna go home and have a quiet one, and then we were kind of on the fence about going out, so I was like, do you know what? We're gonna let you guys choose for us. So,
bad idea, apparently.
Bad idea already. Okay, so I'm 3 questions in on Instagram because I'm doing it on Instagram stories. So we've chose Mad's drink, which I've just ordered, which is gonna be vodka lemonade. My shot, which I thought we were friends, okay? I thought we were all friends and family around here, but clearly not because you guys voted tequila, which
I do not.
Clearly don't want me to make my flight tomorrow, like it's fine. Like clearly want me to throw up in the restaurant, it's fine. So, I don't know what it is about tequila, but the minute it hits my tongue I actually want to projectile vomit, so see my pasta in approximately 30 seconds that I've just eaten.
It's gonna be you talking to me waving in the background. 83%, yes. I voted tequila too.
And then we also let you guys choose dessert. So we've ordered cheesecake instead of fruit, which makes Mads very happy. That actually looks so good.
I appreciate all of you right now, so thank you so much.
Can't relate because I mean, that is currently my life. Oh, bank cards, love that for me.
Oh my god.
Do you not want to talk about it?
I want to talk.
You don't want to talk about it? Okay, fine, dig in.
Miss Renee, that shot has been sat there for 10 minutes. Good luck.
Saying, the shots here are fucking huge, okay?
Oh my goodness, look at the size of that.
So big.
That's like a shot and a half at home.
So, I mean, I'm not doing all of it, like, I'm sorry, but that's technically not shots for.
Everyone chant at home. Hannah, Hannah, yeah. We like to drink with Hannah.
I know that's the wrong.
Yeah, don't do it. I did that yesterday and it was a big fat mistake.
You know what, the last time I did tequila I was sick.
Love that.
Sick in a restaurant, I can't projectile vomit on your cheese.
Wait, you didn't tell me this.
I'm dead serious.
Right, well the sea is over there. The sea is literally there, so you can go and vomit in that. They are nice, aren't we? Need to go and see who's on them.
Hold on a second.
Can I use your bathrooms? Throw up. Thank you. Oh, you look beautiful though. Cry.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
I'm either shit or vomit, like there's gonna be
Right, well, I've told you the sea's over there. Just go and do it in the sea.
Right. Rihanna, old school Rihanna.
Come on, don't put it down. Hold it, pick it up, and don't put it back on the table.
I'm actually scared.
I'll do this.
Oh no. My fault.
Okay, go on.
I can't do it.
You can. Go on. Yay! You've still got some left, I'm just saying. Just letting you know.
I'm just gonna set the tone for the rest of the night, I can already tell.
Guys, you did us dirty. My feet are hurting, like I genuinely have a blister, and you chose to walk. So
you've done us dirty this whole thing. So in fact, apart from you, you've had it easy.
Actually, yeah, my cheesecake was that was the only thing.
The cheesecake looked delicious.
It was delicious.
I'm so full.
Oh,
like
really?
I could birth many things right now.
So yeah, me and Hannah got a taxi before, and we just jumped out. But we're so used to getting Ubers in Manchester and London and whatever. So we got out and walked in the restaurant, and the guy was like,
"Excuse me,"
like, "Hello."
Looked like we were trying to like get off and not pay for our taxi.
I've got such a sweet
Ooh,
tooth.
that's a shout for after.
Oh, it looks popping.
It's always popping.
My feet are killing.
Literally, so we gave you the option as to whether we should walk to the club or get a car to the club, and of course you guys chose to make us walk because you clearly know we're in heels and having a great time. Woo! It's probably not walkable. It's 3 AM. I'm not sure how that happened. Like, what the hell?
All of a sudden we looked at our phone and was like, well, actually we looked at yours, but so mine's dead. Mine's dead.
Oh wait, I see taxis. I see taxis.
Oh, I'm so cold.
Yeah, mine cannot walk. Me shoes.
Yeah, I've got a big fuck off blister.
Arriba! Anyway, what we rating that night out of? Do you know what? That actually turned into a really nice night.
Yeah, it really did. Just
like,
more chill than we expected, but like, I didn't want it to be crazy because we've got a flight tomorrow, and I'm quite travel sick anyway, so being hungover and travel sick.
I was about to flag that car into the fucking police.
Everyone was like, Mirage now, Mirage. And I was like,
I'm going to bed.
To be fair, if we was back home or we didn't have anything to do tomorrow, yeah,
we would still be there.
Tomorrow. Wait, 3, so probably asleep for 4 hours. Great.
Oh fuck, I've got to edit a video tomorrow.
Oh,
see you there, Claw.
See you there, Claw.